Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you how to cornrow hair for beginners. So if you already know how to cornrow hair, maybe you can watch my other videos, but this video is just for those learning how to cornrow hair. So I will start by parting the hair to the size that I want to cornrow, and she wants me to make 6 cornrows for her. So after parting the hair, I like to apply cream to the scalp, in between these two hair. So this is Vaseline I'll be using today. You can use any hair cream of your choice. So it gives the scalp a kind of beautiful shine, and it helps the hair, especially if you have kind of like very dry hair. So after applying the cream, next is to brush the hair. Brush gently. So for beginners, I think the best thing to do is to bring out hair from this front side and divide the hair into 3. So I'm gonna divide this part into 3. 1, still holding on to it, 2, and 3. So now I will be starting the cornrow with these 3 hair. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. So this is how I'm holding the hair. It looks funny, but it's actually not difficult. So hold the hair like this and take this one. Gradually be picking the hair as you are progressing. Be picking the hair. So at this point I would like to add extension, and so here's my extension, and this is how I add the extension. and beautiful. This is a beautiful cornrow, natural cornrow, protective hairstyle, especially when you want to save your edges. You can see I didn't hold it tight, so her edges are still very much. So this is an amazing cornrow. Wow, check out the cornrow, so beautiful.